Don Williams again for the Institute of Sports and Spines. Today I'm doing a demonstration of a lying exercise. It's sometimes called a dead bug, sometimes it's called 90-90 with rolling. So the start position is laying on the back. We bring the legs up into the 90-90 position, so the knees at 90 degrees, ankles, hips are at 90 degrees. Breathing is abdominal, so through here, nice and laterally. And then we bring our hands up as if we're holding a gym ball. So we keep our breathing pattern and we roll, so we're rolling onto the same side shoulder and hip, and still breathing till you feel that point of instability, and then we're rolling back. The whole time the knees and hips need to stay in line, and the shoulders and legs need to stay in line. And then breathe. You can have a little break, keep the chin tucked in, so you don't want to elevate the head like this, keep it tucked in, and then back up again, breathing, rolling, rolling. The common mistakes we make are with people rolling the hips differentiated to the arms, or their arms are moving, the hips aren't, or as they roll, their knees come together, or they're rocking and doing all this. It needs to be nice and stable. It should be this. You want to make sure the back isn't arching, or you're not tucking like this as you go. It's a difficult exercise at higher limit or higher range, but it's a very effective exercise to work on abdominal and back stability. Thanks for watching Institute of Sports and Spines.